Hello YouTube, welcome back to the show. This is 1200 CHD Harley Sporty coming at you with another video. I'm going to talk about rear brake caliper rebuild and alignment, and why does Harley Davidson want us to take out the whole tire, which is a bitch, and why don't we, and what do we do to take shortcuts, because I've just finished searching on YouTube for rear brake caliper videos, and they're not that informative other than showing you bits and pieces of what they do. I'm not saying I'm a specialist, but I would like to be more informative than the videos that I saw, so I figured I'd make one in a series of videos because I'm waiting for the part of the seals